Today is February 7, 2026. I am ready to plant some radishes. Radish is a cool weather crop, so I will try to grow some. I hope it will do well. Everyone loves radish, so I will plant 3 rows. Houston, Texas weather can get hot quickly. Radish is a cool weather crop, but for now, I think it should be okay. We will see. I will let you see the progress. From beginning to harvest. So you can see how long actually it takes to grow radish in Houston, Texas if you plant in spring. The one little far from me, I just threw the seeds over there. Radish seeds big enough, you can see it. Okay, I still have this much left. I put it back into the bag. Radish, this much left, I put it back. See it? Okay, now I just cover it gently and with the soil right next to it. I tried to plant a radish about 1.5 inches apart. So later on, if it's too crowded, I have to thin of them so the bulbs be able to form better. Now, I will just patiently wait for my radish to grow. I love to eat radish, raw or cooked. These are radish. Radish germinate so well and leaves so fluffy, puffy. Radish germinate so well. Look at the leaves, so beautiful and big. I love the way it looks. Today is day 7. Look at the radish. Looks great. I will not put any fertilizer, just let you know. Today is the 25th. Look at this radish. I planted 3 rows of radish. They look great. I need to water them. February 28. Radish gets a little bit bigger. I need to thin them. Pretty crowded. March the 4th. You can see radishes. You can see a little radish over there already. Tiny. Today is March the 19th. I am ready to harvest my radish. I could harvest this radish 7 days ago. Actually, I harvested a couple of them to eat for salad. But today I need to harvest them before they get too old. So as you can see, radish grows pretty fast. Look at the radish here. They are ready to harvest. Look here. So harvest. I'm just look for a little bit bigger one. Well, that's not too big, but you don't want too big. If it's too big, then it will crack sometimes. Look here. So I'm just look for a little decent size to harvest. And you don't know until you pour them out. If you look at the soil here. You know, so this one you still can let it grow a little bit bigger. So I will try to check to see if they are more in the center and much bigger to harvest. See, there's one here. This one looks big. Yeah. Yeah, see, this is big. So put here. Then I will take a look here. Oh, this one also pretty big. Can see here, right? So that's one. See this one, and there's one here. EL. Okay. So they're good. Now let's see some more to harvest here. I planted 3 rows of radish here. So let me check. So pour this one. Okay. Oh, this big one. See, this is decent size of radish. So now here, there's a 2 crowd that were growing together. Yeah. Oh, nice size one. This is nice. This is really nice. Okay. Yeah. This is Houston, Texas. March the 19th. You still can harvest the radish. Is that awesome? Here's another one there. Then let's go there. Harvest here. So here, look here. Harvest this one. Harvest that one. Oh, that's big one. Right? Big one. And oh, there's one here. There's one here. It's good thing about harvesting radish, growing radish. You don't have to harvest all in one time. If you see like this one still can grow a little bit more, so let it grow. Same as that one, if I don't want to eat right now too many, right? I can always let it grow a couple of days, then pick them again. See, like those 2, right? This is pretty big. I could harvest now. Okay, perfect size. And there's there, look those 2. They're perfect size to harvest, but I also can wait. I don't want to, eat too much one time. Oh, those good. See, those good. So now I have this much. So look here. This is much radish I harvest. Is this awesome to have your own yard and can be able to harvest this beautiful radish? It's amazing. Harvest some radish today. If you are the first gardener, you want to grow vegetables, radish is one of them. It is fast growing crops and it is easy to grow. And it doesn't take you much time to grow them. Sow the seeds, then you water them, fertilize tiny little bit, then that's it. Then just wait for harvest. So the only fertilizer I used just microlife. After seeds germinated like about this inch high, then I did give some microlife, that's it. But for the soil, I just use the cow manure mixed with compost and the topsoil mixed with my regular garden like the beginning of the video. Growing radish, you don't need a huge big garden. You just need a small bed. Depends on how much you want to eat. But this will add to your salad or stir fry or soup. Or just wash it, eat raw. Radish, radish, radish. Just rinse this with a hose. I want to eat one to try to see how it tastes like. Very, very crunchy. You can see very juicy. Wow, little spicy hot, fresh from the garden. So it has all the radish flavor. They are completely different from store-bought radish. Has more flavor, more crunchier, juicier. I love radish. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy in my mouth. Yummy in my tummy. Oh, this one. And this one's spicy. Oh, grow your radish. This one is spicy. At least this one is spicy. But the radish is a healthy food and it's really yummy. Thank you for watching. Have a great, fantastic day.